Hey everybody, it's Pixel. Today we're going to be trying out CrockPot pull-apart pizza bread. For that I'm going to need about 12 uncooked rolls, like the dough you can buy, about 2 cups of shredded mozzarella, a package, smaller of course, of pepperoni slices, one of those packages of mozzarella balls you can buy with the oil and the herbs in it, oregano fresh, some onion powder, garlic powder, and flaky salt. And I myself am going to use a pre-made pizza sauce. Now this should be fun. You know the drill, let's go. Okay, first off we're going to be putting parchment paper in the bottom. Then we'll be taking one of each of our little dough pieces and starting to layer them on the bottom. The key to this is you don't want them to start piling up. You just want a simple, probably 10 to 12 layered roll on the bottom. And when you're done, you'll have a very crammed in little layer of rolls. And we're going to be covering that up and putting it on warm for the next hour and a half. Okay, an hour and a half later, we are back and our dinner roll dough has risen big time. What we're going to do now is take those mozzarella balls, press them into the middle of each one. Or, in this case, every so and so. When we're done with that, you're going to want to take the oil, at least a little of it, from your mozzarella balls, and pour those in there. Next, want to take the oregano, the salt, garlic, and onion powder, after the spices are in there, you're going to want to put a pretty decently equal layer of pepperoni slices. You can always use other toppings probably, like sausage, vegetables, ham. And after that layer, we're going to top it off with our shredded mozzarella cheese. Don't be scared to just give it a nice thick layer because it's all going to melt down into it anyway. Well, this of course is going to get the lid back on. You're going to turn it up to high for the next hour and a half. And an hour later you will have this gooey, popping, melted, beautiful pizza contraption going on. Now it's time to get it out of the crock pot, put it on a plate, and see how it looks. And once you get it out of the crock pot, it'll look a lot like this. And honestly, all that's left to do is let it reach room temperature and see if it tastes like pizza. Alrighty, best parts here. We're going to try out our pizza bread. I cut it up a lot like pizza, I guess. And you could probably pull it apart, but it's even to cut up really good. So, let's go. Well, this ended up tasting a lot like pizza. There's that roll element for the dough that just tells you it's not pizza, but it has a nice crispy crust to it. And the insides are, gooey as they should be. And the dough is all cooked up, which was one of my big concerns. And in case you were wondering, this is where I used the marinara sauce as a dip. And I had a bite of it with it and without it, and both are amazing. This seems like it would be fun for any good little party, sleepover. You know, in the niche when you really need something fast and easy to do. It seems like it took a couple hours, and it did, but it was worth it. Totally worth it. So, if you have any thoughts on my pull-apart pizza dough, you know what to do. Leave me a like, leave me a comment, and I will see you in our next one.